So, hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome into the Harvest 555 channel. We are learning DCS World, and yeah, I'm in the Hornet F18s, and I'm going to make a few videos because I found it a little bit hard to, learn the controls. I think I jumped ahead a bit too quick. I think if you go through all the modules, training, and learn the aircraft and stuff like that, you probably do it over a long period of time. But like I said, I jumped into it and got frustrated, and so decided to make a couple of videos for the pure newbie. This is probably not so correct, but it got me airborne, so that's what I'm sort of all about at the moment. So we'll jump in. We're just gonna today learn how to take off. So we're sitting here at Kolki Aerodrome in the parking lot. And we're just going to taxi out to the runway. So we just take our throttle up to idle. Our nozzle steering's on, so yeah, I've got foot pedals and a few things. Probably grow my controls and stuff, but you sort of, probably learn how to bind your gear binds, controls, get a little bit of an idea on what you need as far as controls go. At this stage we just throttle and steering at the moment. Probably need the flaps and gear, learn how to put your gear up, but like all the buttons in the cockpit, they're all clickable. So the first thing I like doing, I just come out onto the runway. We're on sort of runway 6 here. We haven't worried about any of the comms yet. Talking to the tower, just purely just going to take off, and that's it today, because that's about all I know how to do at the moment. What I like to do is just line up on the runway like this, and then we'll probably check a couple of things. Like, so first up, we've got our landing gear. If you click that, the landing gear will go up. Flaps, that's full down. They're up. We want them on set on half for takeoff. Make sure our emergency brake's off. Our anti-skid's on. That's the anti-skid there. What else? I suppose, we make sure that our this fella down here is armed. That's our ejection seat, which is this here, this grab handle. If we pull that 3 times in an emergency with it all armed, and we'll go flying out. I normally don't get to that. I'm normally dead before I get to hit that, but it is there, and it's there to be used. Other things I'm going to probably use once I get up in there, this one here, the autopilot, we'll click that on and probably hit this barometric altitude button here. That'll keep us level when we're at about 3,000 feet. So this here, I think it's called a velocity vector. We've just got that lined up pretty much straight down the runway. We get our brakes on full, and I'm just going to bring our engines up to, they're on 64 at the moment. We're going to bring them up to 80%. They're about 80%, 7980. We're going to then go full afterburner, full throttle, release our brakes. I disengage my nozzle steering, and then we lift off. As soon as we get to sort of 240, we lift our gear and up with our flaps. Try to keep our velocity vector on about 7.5. 5 to 10. You just get airborne. This one here is our height. We're at about 2,500 feet. We'll start to level off about that. It's about 3,000. Then I hit my barometric altitude. Those 2 dots indicate that we're flying level. One thing I didn't do is pull back on my throttle a little bit. We're at 600 knots. Probably slow down a bit. I'll bring my throttle back to about half. When I get down to about 400, I'll just put my automatic throttle control on. That's key bound to T on the keyboard. I've got that set to a button on my HOTAS. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We've taken off. We've sort of cruising. Can have a bit of a look around. Set my throttle control. That's the AT automatic throttle control. That's about all you need to know. Just keep practicing that. And then the next step is learning how to land it. So I hope you get something from these videos. That was pretty simple and I'm not really good at explaining it, but that's about all I know at the moment. I'll make another video on how to land. Yeah, we'll get into a bit more and hopefully you can learn with me. Looks like we're just going over another airport at the moment. It's just down there. That airport is Katasi. Just down there. Maybe what we'll do in the next video is we'll take off from we'll take off from, I don't know what airport we was at. We'll take off from thought we was on Katasi. Maybe we were at Kobileti. Anyway, we might have to look at the drawing board for that. I hope you got something out of this. Look for my next video. It'll be on how to land and yeah, keep in the air, keep flying. Cheers.